Hello everybody and welcome back to another series I'm making. Persona remake. The remake remastered, something like that. I'm playing it on the PSP version. So far more better than PS1. Ugh. So this is the undubbed version. I played a lot back in the day, so I am going to play it again. So at first I am very conflict on what should I play. Like, am I going to play Star Ocean or this game? For now, I'm going to play this game one episode, so I hope you enjoy this adventure again. This adventure. Without further ado, let's start the game. By the way, there will be no voice acting much here in the whole game, like dialogue scenes like that. So I hope you understand. Then only in 3D cutscenes. So that's it. Let's start the adventure. Before beginning the game, please choose the difficulty setting. Expert naman na ako, so let's just say normal. I haven't finished this game in a long time, so let's go to the basics again. Normal is for players who are used to playing role-playing games. On this difficulty, players may enjoy a distinct tension in battle. The difficulty cannot be changed once the game begins. Do you want normal? Wait. Okay. Let's check this. Expert is for advanced players. Oh. No. Okay, normal. Yes. And please enjoy Persona. Okay. Once I dreamt I was a butterfly. I forgot myself. Knew only my happiness. First advice was happiness of butterflies. Soon I awoke as I was myself again. Did I dream that I was butterfly, or do I now dream that I am a man? Yet there is a distinction between myself and the butterfly. This is the transformation of the physical. Chinese. I can't read. Zhuangzi. Ayaw nyo. Chinese name, only Japanese I can read. Hat wearing student Persona. Dude, if that really worked and I could see my future, I'd be on Easy Street. You sure you ain't got the brain rot, Hidehiko? Okay, Hidehiko. Masao Inaba. Name Mark. The spoiled son of Inaba Dry Cleaning Owners. Earnest and excitable. It turns out there's more to it than an easy joke. Maybe not seeing the future exactly, but weird stuff does happen. I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is if you are Mark. Hidehiko Uesugi. Brown. Craves attention and doesn't take things very seriously. Alright, you're on. I'll bet you an all-you-can-eat dinner at the Peace Diner on Joy Street. Ooh, I'm with Hidehiko. Yuka Ayase. Nickname Ayase. A troublesome member of the Santan Village Bland Kogal. Gyarko set. Okay. Kogal set. Girl. Girl. What? Okay. Ponytailed student. I'll throw my lot in with brown too. Eriko Kirishima. Eri. A ladylike student recently returned from abroad. Beautiful and intelligent. Are you guys serious? Okay, Yukino. Or you guys gonna side with? As if I cared one bit. It's absolute monk. Ke Nanjo. Nickname Nanjo. Okay, the Nanjo? Okay. Heir to the Nanjo group, an utter pragmatist and skeptic. What he said is all Yukino Mayuzumi or Mayuzumi Yukino. Nickname Yukino. Trusted by everyone, she's like an older sister to all the students. Alright. You guys are so cold, you know? Hey, who are you with? It's gonna be me, right? Come on, what's it gonna be? Brown. She's you too. Yo, all y'all's crazy. Hey, this will be fun. Alright, let's get started. Okay, here goes. Persona, please come here. Okay, Ayase first. My turn. Persona, come here. What an arrogance. What an arrogant ass a-hole. Man, why I gonna do this? Hurry up, all you can eat, all you can eat. Okay, persona, come here, I guess. Alright. To Yukino, I think. Kirishima Eri. Okay. Well then. Persona, please come to us. Alright. And then, persona, please come to us. I am just really recording it, alright? So, you can understand it a little bit. Just a little bit only. Alright, here it comes. Huh? Hidei Koyuja. Now I look like a total idiot. See? A fat load out nothing. Looks like I win. Happy now? Hurry up, go get the teacher. Wait, hold up. One more time, please. Mark screwed it up. Come on, you're gonna take it seriously when you do it. Oh, you what a sword loser. What is? Huh? It's too late to ask now. What? Whoa. What the? Yukino. Okay, this is the voice acting part now. I'm going to be silent a little bit.
初にお目にかかる。私はフィレン。意識と無意識の狭間に住まう。さて、君は自分が誰であるか名乗ることができる。
Set on Japan, so excuse me. What is the best thing? Sa na da yung ta oh. Japanese eh. So what was it? Shota na lang. Nickname. Show. Yeah, Show-chan.
結構。ここに来て自分が誰であるか語れるものは多い。どうやら君は合格のよう。ところで君は自分の中に複数の自分の存在を自覚したことはない。神のように慈愛に満ちた自分、悪魔のように残酷な自分。人はさまざまな仮面をつけて生きる。今の君の存在
Alright.
無数の仮面の中の一つでしかないかもしれない。しかし、君は自分が誰であるか名乗り終わる。その強い意志に対して敬意と力を持つペルソナ。心に潜む神や悪魔の姿をしてもう一人の君を呼び出すした。この先必ず役に立つ時が来る。さあ戻りたまえ。君があるべき時間と空の下。
Alright. Sanada Shota. So you guys had the same dream. Indeed, it's rather extraordinary. I think he's seeing it now too. Oh, save. I save. I think this is from teacher in his uniform. Oh, Shota, you've come around. Welcome to the infirmary. You sure look cute when you're asleep. Natsumi Yoshino, Saint Hermelin High's nurse. She doesn't seem to be a very good cook. Shota, are you alright? Thank goodness you're awake, Shota. I was so scared when I heard you had collapse. Saeko Takami, homeroom teacher for Shota and the others, very popular with the students. Saeko Sensei, I'm sorry you had to deal with my students, Natsumi Sensei. Come on, taking care of students is her whole job. What's so bad about us? Now, Masao-kun, I want you to think about what you've done. Anyway, Eriko-chan and Ayase told me what happened. No, Eriko-san and Ayase. Anyway, Eriko-san and Ayase-chan or something. I will assume Chan because he's the popular and a caring teacher, or son, interchangeable, but in a different tone. Told me what happened, no helping out for you today. Instead, go get yourselves check out at Mikage Byoin. Okay, Byoin. Let's go to the hospital and head home. So you think something's wrong with us too? Oh, not like that. I can tell by looking at you that you're perfectly sane. But I'm worried you might have gotten hurt while collapsing. So go see the doc. Oh, so there's something that can face you, Saiko Sensei. Alright, well go. Speaking of Mikage Hospital, wasn't a student in your class staying there? You mean Maki, right? Yes, that's right. You should visit her while you're there. She's been laid up there for over a year now. I'm sure she's lonesome. There seems to be nothing here. Okay, seems to be nothing here. Agastya 3. Young ones, your presence is welcome. Will you inscribe your story on me? Yes, I will. Okay. I put a new plant there. What do you think? Like livens up the room, doesn't it? They say plants grow better if you talk to them. Give it a try, Shota. Thank you. I've done it, Sensei. Since we have no choice in the matter, best to get over with it. Mikage Hospital, that's kind of a long walk from school. It's way to the northeast. If you leave the school, head north and go all the way to the 3rd ward. Then take the right at Mikage Ruins. At the Mikage Ruins, if we just wander around, we'll get there sooner or later. What were you doing? Anyway, I asked you to prepare for the sports festival. We only have a month left. Yep. And nothing's ready yet. Should we just cancel it this trip? Well, better to cancel it more than there's something going to happen. I don't know. I know I couldn't take being cooped up in the hospital for an entire year. Let's go cheer her up. Okay, first person. What? First floor? Okay. Oh! That was fast. You're all so slow. You must seize the moment like myself. There's a reason it said that once youth passes quickly. That Nanjo pisses me off so bad. I'll find that chink in his armor someday. Masao and Kei are both such children. Hey, don't involve me with that. Young master. Yamaoka, the Nanjo family's butler. He's taken care of Nanjo since he was an infant. Yamaoka. Oh my master. Oh my, Master K is living in the premises with a crowd of friends. I'm so happy to see this. Master K? Yamaoka. Yamaoka. I've told you many time and again never to call me that, you dummy. You just call him dummy. No, oh, be silent, Masao. Look, Yamaoka, I don't need a ride today. Just go back without me. Oh my, will you be going out on the town with your chums, young master? I'm only going to the festival and stop calling me that. The hospital. Heavens, I do hope you haven't hurt yourself, young master. Shh. Enough, let's be on our way, Shota. Yamaoka, do not follow us. I do think that he needs to follow you. Kaneda. Alien Shrine. Oh. Okay. Oh. I think here. For heaven's sake. I'm not really leaving the hospital, to be honest. Ah, okay. North. Okay. Northeast, right? Oh. Okay. Okay, Mikage. There's some time until our examinations. Let's visit Maki first then. Best not to be idle after all. Hey, cold. Man, by the way, Maki's in room 302. You're pretty well informed, Masao. Ah, shut up. A friend of mine told me. Yo, Shota, let's just go there. Let's just go already. Interesting that Masao knew which room Maki was in. What you're looking at me for? Hurry and go. I think you are being tsundere, Mr. Masao. Hospital certainly enjoy keeping people waiting. Don't they know time is money? Oh wow, stupid idiot. Oh boy, know where the police station is. My boyfriend crashed his motorcycle. What's this now? The police? You mean the place where Baldi works? Yeah, just head west after you leave the hospital. Exit the hospital and head west. Thanks a bunch. Thank you very much. But for now, let's talk to people. Testifying about the accidents is such a pain. Talk about bad luck. I wonder if my hand is okay. Isn't saying things a sign of overwork? I'm going to work. To hell with fake hallways and stairs. To hell with that little ghost girl. If you can handle such things, you have no place at Sebek, honestly. Oh! Okay. Oh! He is being followed. Okay, indeed. Oh dear, I've been spotted. I would ask you that you keep my presence a secret from me, the young master. You're not gonna be see, Maki. You got ice water in your veins. Hey, I don't know where the direction is, mate. Maki Sonomura, yes. Oh, yes, her. She's in room 302. Oh my god. Bruh. Okay, let's go. I really like the music, man. Oh. I know I'm man, I love to create songs. Soon this seems to be in use. Heading into your, I see you. Three-O-two. Maki's room is the second one straight down from here. There's a girl on this floor who looked like she was in high school, but sometimes I hear a little girl's voice from her room. There's only one bed in there. Does she have a sister or someone visiting her? It was a good call coming here. I'm sure Maki will be glad to see us. Alright? There aren't many at this hospital whom Maki could converse with. Small wonder she doesn't feel like leaving her room. That's the case. Okay, the break something. Oh, Hiroshi seems to be to be his grandson. He makes mistakes me for his daughter too. Look, Akiko Hiroshi came to visit. That's right, Hiroshi here. Thanks for coming all this way, Hiroshi. Listen. Now you listen here. Hiroshi, a man's soul is a complex thing. The things a person shows to the outside world isn't necessarily what he thinks. You have to dig deep to find out the truth they're hiding. Wow. Does that old man really believe such, or is he toying with us? Man, what's with him calling you Hiroshi? That I don't know. Must be rough on the nurse. I'm sure. Oh, there is ICU in every room. Okay. Okay. Are Maki's friends? I'm glad you came. You know she's been in and out of the hospital since she was a child, right? I always worried about her keeping up her friendships. I can hardly believe it. Her only daughter is in the hospital. She hasn't visited even once. I don't care how busy she is at Sebek. She's a failure as a mother. Poor Maki. Sheesh. That was harsh, nurse. I think she's right though. Aren't you Maki Sanomura's friend? You visited her last week too, didn't you? And the week before. So that's how you're unexpectedly nice to her, I see. Leave him alone, Nanjo. Okay, nothing. What? Really? There's nothing something. The corner. Nurse's corner. The reception. The reception corner for it. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, nothing here. Iru para pam 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 pam. All right. Oh, this is Maki. I have to go, but you should get some fresh air sometimes. It's good for you. That's right. Maki, why don't we go for a walk tomorrow? Maki Sonomura, a chronically chronically ill classmate who's been hospitalized for over a year now. Oh, it seems your real medication has arrived. I'll leave you kids be. Shota, you all came. Thanks. You're so thoughtful, Masao. What do you mean? I thought Masao wanted to see everyone when he was here last time. Isn't that why you all came? Yes, it is. How are you? Have you been feeling okay? I'm doing much better. I wonder if it's because of that good dream. It's hard to remember, but I keep dreaming of a really nice man. He's like a father. Like that doctor, he seems nice. I don't like him. Did he do something to you? No, that's not it. I just don't like doctors. Well, let's talk about other stuff then. How about your mom? How's she doing at Sebek? She's not my mom. She cares more about her job than me. She doesn't care about me at all. So sorry. Oh, it's alright. No. Maki, what's wrong? Hey, this isn't good. Call a doctor. Okay, something happened. So Nomura, be safe. Damn it. Dang it. One more quick. Whoa, it's a big one. Seems so Nomura. Whoa, what the hell? Where did the room go? What do you mean? I was possible that was ICU a moment ago. That scream, it came from downstairs. Let's go. Okay, something happened. Fresh meat is here. What's with these guys? The dead patient suddenly got up and walked. That old man rescued me and... No! What? These guys were dead. Is this for real? Yamaoka, you bastards. How dare you? Okay, first encounter, I think. I'll never forgive you, bastards. Careful, guys. How the hell are we supposed to fight something that's already dead? Thou art I, and I am thou. From the sea of thy soul I cometh, I shall lend you my strength. Oh, stand. Shows persona, Semen Congo, reach rank 2. Night, Maki's persona, Mark's persona, Ogun, reach rank 2. Alright, Lucinos persona, Westa. Okay. A Roman goddess if I'm correct. Vesta, okay. Dangeous persona, Aizen Myo-o. Okay, I'm correct on the pronunciation, Myo-o. I'm shocked too. It's better to be me burn 400 yen or something. Is this Makai QQ helmet? Okay. 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 In its own was the level up. Stat. So the other one was Japanese. Was the other party members was automatic, okay? Yamaoka, don't go. You will leave me behind. Right? Right, Yamaoka? Oh, young master, don't be so sad. It spoils your handsome face. You're a fine Japanese man, and a man must stand on his own someday. It seems that this will be the last service I can provide for you. No, 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 no. I won't let you leave me. Hang in there, Yamaoka. It's time. I said farewell. Just one last thing. Please promise me, young master. Promise to become the number one man in the country and carry Japan on their back. Of course, I will when that guy comes. You'll see. So until then, that's my young master. I will always be in your heart. Yamaoka. Hey, answer me. I'm begging you. Yamaoka. Nanjo. Let him alone. Hey Shota, could you hear their voices? That thing said it was me. I heard it too. Think it was that persona thing. It said it would lend us power, so I kinda doubted it's hostile. If we're lucky, maybe it listened to what we tell it. I guess we might as well go on calling it persona. That's how it felt to me too. I have a bad feeling about this. Let's go. Oh, nice. Awaken your persona. Last service. Ranjo seems like a little boy in front of that old guy, failing to protect the ones you love. Nothing hurts worse than that. Yeah. I didn't think he was gonna cry. He must have really loved that old guy. Everyone does, mate. He's already gone. Yamaoka, what should I do? Without you, I'm all alone. No one is here to encourage me. No one will stand by me. Oh, the same. Okay, let's go. No, that difference. Alright, let's explore around this thing. Check this. Okay, what is this bullshit? Whoever's doing this is gonna pay. I'll get this place back to normal. They're trying. With this power, we should be able to find out why this is happening. If only I'd made certain he went home. The TV's not working and the phone's dead too. Oh, the hell? And the phone's dead too. What in the world's going on? Damn it, why can't I get to the ICU? There's a patient in there. I have to treat the Sonomura girl. Oh, okay, alright then. I treat your wounds at this examination room, but I can't find it. Nothing in this hospital is where I remember it. It's fine. Okay. What should we do? For now. No. Okay, nothing. Come here. Oh my god. Oh. Basic battle controls. Directional X confirm, circle cancel. L display all ally status, display ally status, R analyze enemy status. Okay. Start, skip visual effects. Okay. Okay. Hey, it's fine. Oh. Okay. I sent to Wind River. Last night. Persona. Okay, nice. You helmet for the girl. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, Agastya 3. Young ones, your presence is welcome. Do you inscribe your story on me? Yes. Nice. Oh. Okay. Persona. Persona by Semen Congo H rank 3 Deltie. Okay, thank you. Okay. Blind status. Okay. See. Bam. Up moon, alright. What the? Ogun runs exchange. Flare stab. Okay, the girl. Okay, let's look at this. Alright. I'm sorry, Shota, I'm not thinking as quickly as usual. It's fine. Damn it, if only we had a hint or something. It's like even the airs change, I'm finding it hard to breathe. Alright. Oh, okay, QQ helmet. Oh, hello again, Hiroshi. Did you come to listen to my stories? I have something to say that I think you may need to hear. Stay calm and think carefully before making a move. If you do, you'll arrive at the truth, come what may. Say, Akiko, is lunch ready yet? There's a strange haze I can see through the window. It's covering the town. You don't think we're trapped here like in the horror novels, do you? Oh. Condition 1. Okay. It's like even the air's change, I'm finding it hard to breathe. Oh, okay. The same dialogue. Huh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there are weakness, something like that. Okay. Persona! Makasero. Oh. Nice. Dude. Okay. Okay, another something. Wait, what? Nothing strange. Nothing changed here on the room of Maki Yamaoka. I'm worried about Maki too, but let's get to the streets. I have a bad feeling. I can still feel Maki here. Hang on, Maki, we'll find you. Okay. Seems to be nothing here. Okay. Wait, what? This power kinda unnerving, but it looks like it'll come in handy. Hey, you think the other guys have this power too? I'll figure this out. There's nothing I can do it if I put my mind to it. Okay, this is being calm now. I'm prepared for the worst, but I'm worried about my little grandson. He should be at school. I hope nothing's happened there. Okay, let's find your grandson. Let's find your grandson there. Hi, let's find out your... Okay, basta. Daya. Alright. Healing, I think. Then, let's find other personas. Semen Congo, Rich Rank 4, Makajam. Para. Oh, man. This poison, nice. Okay. Skills for her. Alright. Preemptive, nice. Persona! Ba? What? Oh Lord. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Oh man. Okay, nice. Young ones, your presence is welcome. You inscribe your story on me, friends. This is the normal path. Alright, let's finish this chapter. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Persona. Okay, block. Per. Okay, all good. Persona. Kita. There you go. Okay. Poltergeist. I think all my life want to remember. Oh. What did you just say, Mark? L. Okay, lifestone. Mark. Okay. Nice. Okay. The demon spoke to you. Answer. Eh. Let me make it clear. I'm not good to eat, and I'm not crunchy in milk either. Shaw invited the demon. It's not easy to pick me up, you know. I'm not a cheap spirit. Persuaded the demon. That's why you're gonna out me, give me something. Vitality AJ looks good. Does it taste good? Let me try some. Okay. This is delicious show time. Okay. Ito. Stay quiet for once and listen to what others have to say. And don't you make fun of them, or I'll make you regret it. I mean, I'm not even out of preschool yet. Okay. Okay. Left. Okay, the two of them left. So which means these two are the retards. Okay. Bam. Oh no. There you go. I sent you with me, man. Okay. Yeesh. Demon's partner. I can stop shivering. Your face is just that scary. Joyful. You have no idea how honored I am to speak to a demon of your status. I see no reason to hold back when I have to deal with annoying humans like you. Oh, okay. March out of his smooth moves. That's so cool, I wanna join. Okay. This is my first time singing a human dance. Yes. It's so cool. Basta tamo. See, hehehe, humans aren't scary like I thought they'd be. The demon seems happy. Oh! Okay. Oh my license to be Persona! Na. Pero. Ay, shit. Okay, let's talk to them. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Persona! Oh no. Stupid. Okay. Iki na. Persona Vesta Future for Learn Zio. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh, let's try that if there is any achievements on it when I cross all the way. Okay. Okay. Kasi there we go. Iki na. Pero. Okay, nice. There is any achievements if I work on it. Okay. Ano? What? Foolish gloomy. Okay. Tiki na. Pero. Thank you all my lives that you will. Okay, I haven't played this in a long time. Persona shows Persona Semen Congo Rank 5. Semen Congo learn Pulin pa Latin or something. Okay. Okay. Ah. Nice. Nice. AI. Okay. Oh man. Let's try that. Okay. Persona. Go. Oh man. Mark Hogun reach rank 5. Okay. I'm going to be in on guard. Oh no, yes. I'm going to be on guard on that. Oh. Oh man. Okay. Okay, let's stop to this. Okay. Oh man. Ouch. Okay, nice. Okay. 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 Blobs. Okay. Okay, nice. They really like, oh, yeah. Okay na. Nice. Pero. Nice. Sent you remember. Oh, to. This is nice. Okay. I always thought you were a pushover, Shota. I'm surprised how come you are. Alright, let me take a look. Okay. I want to save as many people as I can. Try not to push yourself too hard. Okay, nice. Thank you. I wonder if there are other patients besides Maki in trouble right now. Maybe. Yes, what is it? I can't get in touch with the patients. What am I supposed to do? Can't you do something? I'm sorry, I'm asking the impossible. I'm just so confused. Oh, it's forgiven for the forgotten lady. Always. Ah, it's like you really need to. This is so over the top. Oh man. Oh, okay, nice. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, nice. I am trying to get the all of the achievements in retro. So, yeah. That's why I'm trying like this. I know it is stupid, but ah, preemptive, nice. Okay, the dead comes alive again. Persona. They really need to shout. Persona. Dead. Persona. Thank you. All my life, thank you. Remember. Okay. Save. Yes, I will. I think we overdid it. Oh my god. Snappish. Ah, okay. How to do this? My dear child, Pixie Jotam. I don't mind listening to your story, but it'd be nice if my wallet was heavier. Give me one of those things that starts with I, ends with E. Take it. I'm so happy. Human silence kaya like I thought they'd be. The demon seems happy. They are stupid. There you go. On my right. There. Fancy you. On my right. Persona. Okay. Per. Okay, nice. Okay, boss. I knew it. Shota, this one's still alive. Give me a hand here. We haven't time to waste here. Shota, it's too late for her, but not for us. Yo, Shota, the monsters are just around the corner. I will help the girl. I'm not going to make it. You kids, get out of here. Don't give up. Could really use a hand, Shota. Help her. Yep. Achievement number 2, how to save a life. Okay, you take that side. It's no good they're coming. Oh, good day. Oh my, there are demons here too. What the hell? Eriko, get back. No worries. I may not look it, but I'm a rather capable fencer. Eriko, this is no ordinary enemy. Sheesh, that girl's crazy. Oh. Wow, nice. Nike. 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 Okay. Okay, rank 2. Oh my. Oh. Whoa. Okay, nice. Was that Nike? The Greek goddess of victory. Yeah, knew it. It's me, and I'm it. Eriko, hey, are you okay? Nike, the archetypal portrayal of Christian angels. It's me, and I'm it. Oh, good, she's completely gone. Eriko, snap out of it. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm alright. I'm an angelic bringer of victory. From now on, you have my protection. Oh dear. You idiot, we can do it too. Really? So I'm not the only one who was chosen. Eriko, you dreamt of the butterfly, didn't you? How do you know about that? I've seen it quite often in my dreams ever since I played the Persona game. Just as I thought. That dream must be cause of the phenomenon. That aside, why'd you come here? Is it dangerous like this outside too? Yes, there are demons everywhere and it's impossible to live down. I look everywhere, but it seems that the school is the only place safe. Safe place is the only safe place. Oh, the school safe? Let's go back there, Shota. Oh, but I nearly forgot. We should go to the shrine first. Maki's mother is hurt. She collapsed there. What? Dude, why didn't you say so before? You're all soft-hearted. Anyway, the personas is changed in town. It all seems to pat what could be causing all this. Seems to be nothing here. Alright, let's save Maki's mom and make a run for the school. Maki, I'll come back for you, I swear. The shrine isn't far from the school. We should have no problems. There you go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, nice. It's morning. Okay, let's go. Huh. Come here. Persona. Oh. Persona. Nice. Metal card. What was that? Oh. There's a young ones. Your presence is welcome. There's a story on me. Of course, I will. Okay, let's go. Oh, the Perseus. Pasir is Sebek territory now entry. Okay. Okay, doesn't Makisman work for Sebek? What in the world's going on? Sebek? What's Kandori's game? What could this mean? I heard Sebek was a Fortuna 500 company. This many as well be a mafia front corporation. I don't like this. This isn't how an ordinary corporation acts. This ain't no place for kids. Go find yourself a nice break. Wow! What an asshole, man! Person. Nice. Okay. Per. Okay. How much is my money? 15,000 yen. Nice. Okay, let's buy some equipment for now. Judgment. What the hell is this? Ow! Silence to see. Your local intentions money for coins. I'm your man. Okay, no. Code breaker machine. What did you do? Oh! Nope, not that. My game is blackjack. Nope. I suck at that. 21. What was it? Okay, let's explore around. Big poker machine. Okay, not this. The alias friend, guys. I hate to nag, but you better not forget. I feel sorry for the rest of the Taylor's crew, but I got places to be. Ah, crap. What am I gonna do? Not couple for to fight demons. And Mark ain't gonna be around me either. I gotta say, I'm scared. Dude, don't go freaking out over something like this. I leave the Taylors in your hands while I'm gone, you know. Okay, show you guys aren't demons. Too bad. We will gonna beat you up if you were. And then I would made you all work for me. Is there a deeper plan underlying your actions, or I'm completely unable to fathom your motivations for being here? The air is so unpleasant here. Okay, I think I will edit out some things here. Let's cover your story. We need to buy some equipment for us to survive, and the medicine. We are alright there. Velvet, the store is closed. Wow, that was suspicious. Okay. The store is closed. Alright. So he refuses to close his business even with the advent of demons. The common people can be stronger willed than I had given credit for. That reminds me, some people at school were staring something similar. Is it okay this store's being open? And it's responsible if they get messed up by demons. Alright, demons. That strange store in this mall will apparently be open soon. Don't ask me when though. Haven't you have enough for can we go to the Alea Shrine next? Maya, I'm grateful you came all this way. Things must be hard for all of you. Okay. This is the weapon store. Okay. Nope. 10,000 yan. My God. Okay, the comedic music here. I enjoy it. What? Kids this day show know what's what. All one can assist one sort. It's like it's the only one. Customer. The TV radio don't work and my parents are hiding under the futons. I guess in the end you have to take matters into your own hands. I'm surprised Makisma made it to the shrine. If she had collapsed before then, I don't like to think what might have happened. I'm giving some thought to the mystery as well. This is my chance to put into practice the things I've studied all this time. Okay. Okay, another one. Even if we don't buy them here, everyday objects can be useful as weapons. Convenience stores are supposed to stock everything. Why wouldn't they have weapons too, don't you agree? Yes, exactly. Shouldn't be this store serving its consumers' needs. Are these stores good for anything, isn't it? Or they don't have weapons? Yeah, you tell them a store's gonna serve its customers' needs. Oh, our store doesn't carry weapons, is that alright? Oh, the same. Okay. This is the place you can work part-time. Oh wait, that was another store. Sure, it's a convenience store, but being able to buy weapons here is kinda... it's true, one can pick up daily necessities at the convenience store. Well, yeah, depends. That will depend if it's an important thingy. If it's not, well, store is closed. Alright. Nothing can be open for down here. But for now, we will pick up some personas later. Then combine them, I think, or equip. Okay, Persona time. Persona. Kaya. Okay, 2 healers. Bam. Nice. 100 yen. Okay, this is the shrine. Okay. 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 See. Alright. Nice. Nice. Another one. Bam. Persona. Okay. Bam. Nice. Oh yeah. The girl hasn't have any. Alaya Shrine. Alright, this is the place. Here we are. Maki's mother should be here. Oh, what an exquisite butterfly. Okay. Hey, is it me or is there something strange about that butterfly? What's up with this thing? Okay, another cutscene. Okay, I will take the bathroom first. Watch the cutscene. Excuse me.
この先、君たちにはいくつかの道が開けるだろう。そしてその先々でさまざまな人の業を見るだろう。しかしどの道に進もう、それが自分で決めた生き方であることを忘れぬように進む。
Okay, I'm back. What was that? A dream? Truth is stranger than fiction, evidently. To be present for another once in a lifetime event, how magnificent. Setsuko Sonomura, Maki's mother. She works at Sebek as an engineering specialist. Hey, did you forget about Maki's mom here? Oh yeah. Lady, are you okay? This is a gunshot would do this to you. Kandori's goons. Kandori? The president of Sebek? The alterations to this town, Kandori's behind them all. I was involved in the development of a certain device. A device? And you're saying this machine is causing the changes. It's the Deva system. It's engineered to affect reality, but I didn't think it could do this. Kandori said he doesn't care what happens to this town. I have to hurry and tell the police. Oh dear. The police station is already overrun with demons. I just came from there. My god, but Kandori has to be stopped. How did you escape, ma'am? Through the abandoned factory entrance. Use this security card. Lady. Ooh. She only passed out. We have to get her to the school quick. You handle this, Shota. I got business to take care of. Wait, Masao. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I'll come with you. Remember, you won't be able to get near Kandori without this card. Hey! Thanks guys, come on, let's go back to the school ourselves. Honestly, men never think about how the ones they leave behind feel. Those two do have a similarity, reckless temperament. Okay. Well, I'm sure they'll give up and come back once they see the place. No. Close your eyes, wounded ones. Thank you very much. If you are hurt on the way back to school, come here and I will heal you. I wondered what this Spotify deals really is. Whatever, let's get back to school. A fascinating butterfly. Don't you feel as though it can see through the depths of your soul? She seems to be passed out. Let's go. So this is the territory of the butterfly, they are saying. Canada Mansion. Oh dear, nope. There, little demon, play you nice. Did you just make fun of me? I hope you will prepare some figure to, but that wasn't so great. I give you some advice, but you have to pay up first. Give me one of those sticks that starts with I and ends with E. I'm so happy. Oh, sorry, but not quiet. You were not good though. Please try again sometime. Nice. So what you're trying to say? A spell card, please. I'll curse you if you fuse me with some weirder demon. Alright. Nice. Obtain the Pixie spell card. Alright. Let's grab some. Nice. Got it. It's me, Eriko Kirishima. We have an aged woman with us. Won't you open the gate? Unless you say the password. Ah yes, roses are red, zombies are blue. I don't want brains, so you know I'm true. Now, will you let us in? Alright, come in. Hey, Shota. You're all safe. I'm so glad. Oh, what happened to her? Well, we'll tell you later. We need to get her to the infirmary quick. You're right. Shota, come with me to the infirmary. Yukino, Eriko, I want you to head to the passageway to the gym. Yuka and Yuko are there. Please, plugging up the hole in the wall. Please help them out. Right, gonna keep the demons from getting in. Will do. Come on, Eriko. Yes, let's go. Alright then, we should get going too. And that's what happened. So, that's what Sebek is up to, huh? I can't believe them. Hey Shota, sorry to ask, but could you go by the hall and ask Yukino and the others not to fill it up? Masao and Kei might have to come back in through there. I will. Aki's mother isn't badly hurt, you can relax. What about you, Shota? Got any injuries? Let me take a look. They're all better. Be careful out there. Nice. Okay. Okay, wait. Joy Street. Oh, normal part. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everybody. See you next time. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears, and sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British remedy.